Looking to earn money online, but struggling where to start? Don't worry, we are here to help and guide you. If you like the information in this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's jump straight to the 10 top ways you can earn money online with no investment. 1. YouTube. Yes, you can make money using YouTube and similar video streaming platforms. Create a channel on a subject that you are interested and have good knowledge about it. Drive traffic to your videos. After you have achieved required watch time for your videos, you will be able to monetize your channel. That is how you earn from YouTube. That is just one way. You can also do affiliate marketing through YouTube videos and earn good income, if you can drive good traffic. 2. Freelance writing. Are you a good writer? You can join freelancing websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour and earn as a freelance writer. To increase your chances of getting selected, make sure you have samples of your work ready. You can create an account on Medium, and post some articles there, and use them as samples. 3. Online tutor. One of the most wonder ways to put your degree and qualification for the greater use is online tuition. If you have a college degree or any specialty masters, you can help giving online tuition and earn a handsome amount of money. 4. Online guide. If you are expert at anything and your friends come to you for opinions regarding something, be it clothes or cars or the entire tech-related items or phones or travel, consider becoming an online guide without wasting a second thought. 5. Print on demand. There are numerous websites that allow you to make money with art skills. Selling online prints, but the most popular of them all is Redbubble. You can upload your artwork on Redbubble and people can buy the printed form of that artwork. 6. Start a blog. Blogging is a great method to accumulate an audience and build a following. This is all good, but how does one make money from this? There are more than one ways to make money through blogging. Since having a blog means you have a dedicated audience, your sales are bound to increase as the years go by. If you become a favorite of many, then let the word of the mouth do the trick. If people like you, they will talk about you on social media and try to help you out by giving you shoutouts. 7. Online advice columnist. Do you have that special knack for solving all sorts of problems? Become an online advice columnist. Online advice columnists earn in different ways. You'll need a good website and provide an excellent write-up of your problem-solving skills for this. People with problems can ask you questions online, and they'll pay for your answers. Otherwise, you can provide a telephone number and charge per minute for the chat and advice. 8. Virtual assistants. Personal assistants are important, but with increase in demand, it is gradually becoming a luxury. People from the US, UK or other first world countries are unable to hire a personal assistant because of extremely high wages. As a solution, they start going towards the idea of virtual assistants. If you think you are someone who can handle personal business matters along with attitude, you can easily become a virtual assistant. 9. Book sales. There are options like Amazon Kindle Direct Publish, which lets you publish your own book so that you can use expertise and reach a larger number of audience. Or you can publish it to your own audience or release it on your own website. This one of the passive income ideas for beginners requires a bit of your time and effort, but once you are done it pays off really good and you can keep earning on it afterwards. Publishing a book is a long-term commitment. Make sure you really have that kind of dedication and passion. 10. Make an online store with dropshipping. Online store with dropshipping has become so popular these days in the market, where you don't need to have any stock, and rely on the dropshipper for shipment as well. All you have to do is set up a store online, and drive relevant traffic to it. Once you receive an order, you ask your dropshipper to fulfill the order. Isn't that cool? Let us know in the comments below if you liked our 10 suggestions on how to make money online. For more informative videos like these, please subscribe.